Thanks for your choosing Damini product. This video will present you the installation and operation of Wi-Fi doorbell. First of all, you need to download the app to your smartphone. Search iSmartBell on iOS App Store. For Android users, please install the APK file from the CD in the packing. Note that do not turn off the push message from the app during the installation. Step 2. Connect the power supply. The machine will start in 30 seconds. There will be a voice prompt. Welcome to Smart Home. Step 3. Wi-Fi setting. Skip this step if connected through LAN port. Long press the button for 5 seconds. Release and you will get a voice prompt. Find the Wi-Fi on your mobile phone, start it with DoorBell, and connect with the default password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Please do all settings within 5 minutes. Step 4. Start the app. Click Add Doorbell. Search and select the doorbell and done. If cannot see the doorbell in search, check if the Wi-Fi is connected. Step 5. Connect doorbell with local network. Click to enter the setting page. Click Wi-Fi setting. Choose your local Wi-Fi and input the password. Click Done and the doorbell will restart. There will be a voice prompt after 30 seconds.
Restarting system now. Please wait. Welcome to Smart Home.
Step 6. Lock wiring. Electronic lock is an optional accessory. Can skip this step if remote unlocking is not necessary. Take the electronic bar lock for example. Plug the cable in the packing to the lock port. Connect the black and red wires to the lock. Test if the lock is working properly. Step 7. Connect the trim. It is an optional accessory. Skip this step if not needed. Install the battery to start the trim. Start the Wi-Fi doorbell. After the voice prompt and wait another 20 seconds, the button blue light will flash. Press the volume button and the Wi-Fi doorbell button at the same time for a few seconds and release. The trim will have a belling voice, which means the connection is done. Or please repeat this step. Step 8. Remote unlocking function. When visitor press the doorbell, the app will call at your mobile phone. Answer and click anywhere on the monitor screen. There will be a menu appear and click to remote unlock. The default password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Step 9. Revise the unlocking password. Click the lock setting. Unlocking password setting. You need to input the default password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then set a new password twice and done.
Successful.
Step 10. Whitelist setting. This doorbell allows maximum 8 users online. Click the user management, add users, and set the username and password. And you have a new user now.
Successful.
Step 11. Add users. First of all, ensure the user mobile phone is in the same network with the Wi-Fi doorbell. Then you can open the app to search the Wi-Fi doorbell. The only difference is the username and password should be same as set in whitelist.
Successful.
To add the user remotely, the user need to input the doorbell name, ID, username, and password manually. Step 12. Picture and video checking. Click Picture at lower side, and you can see the pictures captured in monitor status. Click Video to play the video taken. The memory capacity is based on your mobile phone. This is all the introduction about the setting and operation of Wi-Fi doorbell. Thanks for your watching. Contact us for further query. Welcome to Choose Germany again.